In a big boost for economic development in Jammu and Kashmir, the 8.5 kilometers long Banihal Kazikund tunnel is now preparing to open its doors to the public.
Right now we are outside the Banihal Kazikund tunnel, which is one of the most important tunnel, keeping in view the strategical importance of the Kashmir Valley. This tunnel is being made by the Navyu Constructions, and the construction has started way back in 2011, and now after 10 years the tunnel is all set to be made available to the common people of Jammu and Kashmir as well as the security forces. And this is really very important, as this will provide all-weather connectivity from the Kashmir Valley to Jammu and vice versa, as we have seen that how in the winters, due to heavy snowfall and avalanche, the connectivity between Jammu and the Kashmir regions get disconnected, causing a really worrisome situation even for the government. But now with the commissioning of this project within some days, which is expected by the Honorable Prime Minister of India, this will provide a great boost to the economy of Jammu and Kashmir.
Built at a cost of Rs 2,100 crores, this double tube tunnel will connect Jammu to Srinagar, reducing the travel distance between the two. Bypassing the underlying Jawahar tunnel, earlier marred by continuous snowfall and avalanches, which disrupted the flow of economic activities during the rough winter months.
It's a breathtaking experience when you are flying on this double tube tunnel that connects Jammu as well as Srinagar. This tunnel is now going to be functional in coming days, and it will connect and reduce the distance between Banihal in Jammu and Kazikund in South Kashmir. The reduction will be of somewhere around 16 kilometers, and my VJ Mubashir is showing you the visuals from inside the tunnel, where you see all the modern facility have been installed, whether we talk about the jet fans, we talk about the CCTV modern cameras, we talk about the fire extinguishers, and of course this is the first time in Jammu and Kashmir that when in any tunnel the internet and the phone service is working. So if you are here in the tunnel, you are connected with your loved ones.
Not compromising on safety and security, this dual-channel tunnel comes equipped with safety exits every 500 meters and round-the-clock surveillance from CCTV cameras to a dedicated control room.
Right now we are inside this very tunnel where the process is about to initiate, and the important thing is that the security measures have been kept in place. This is the fire extinguisher system that has been installed throughout this 8.4 kilometer long tunnel, and there is a firefighting equipment that has been placed at every 400, 300 and 200 meters depending upon the availability and the need. And this is really very important, as this is a primary response to any kind of contingency. Apart from this is, if this tunnel break out, then what is the next process, as what will be the next course of action if there is any kind of incident reported in this tunnel. And the very important thing is the escape tunnel that has been established right next to it, as this is the main tunnel and we go across to the escape tunnel that has been established on the other side. This escape tunnel provides a kind of extra hand to the security features of the tunnel, the Banihal Kazikund tunnel, providing a round-the-clock connectivity for the 12 months from the Kashmir Valley to the rest of India.
This tunnel will cut short the distance of Banihal to Kazikund by 16 kilometers, reducing the travel by 2 hours and ensures all-weather connectivity to the rest of the country.
अभी हमारा इसमें जो है मोबाइल कनेक्टिविटी है, अभी हमें अपने कंस्ट्रक्शन पर्पज़ में जो यूज़ हमने किया था, तो उस टाइम जो हमने कुछ बूस्टर वगैरह लगाए थे, तो कनेक्टिविटी एज ऑफ नाउ टनल में मोबाइल कनेक्टिविटी है।
सर, ऑल वेदर कनेक्टिविटी किस तरह ये प्रोवाइड करेगा?
और वेदर
काफ़ी टफ ये जेके हाईवे है।
और वेदर कनेक्टिविटी इस टनल की एडवांटेज ये है कि जो जेटी है, जेटी में जो है इसमें काफ़ी एवलांच एरियाज़ हैं और इसमें स्नोफॉल ज़्यादा होता है, तो दिस टनल इज़ अराउंड 400 मीटर्स बिलो द जेटी, एंड स्नोफॉल जहाँ कम होता है एज़ कम्पेयर टू द जेटी। तो जेटी का जो है स्नोफॉल ज़्यादा होने की वजह से एक तो अरुणाचल एरिया जो है वो थोड़ा डेंजर एरिया रहता है, प्लस उसमें क्या है स्लो क्लियरेंस करने में टाइम लगता है। यहाँ इस एरिया में स्लो क्लियरेंस का जो है ज़्यादा इफेक्ट नहीं करेगा, तो इस हिसाब से जो है ये टनल जो है ऑल वेदर कनेक्टिविटी कहा जाता है।
10 years in the making, more than 1,700 workers were deployed for this mega project and is the first tunnel in India where boosters have been set up to ensure phone and internet connectivity does not come to a halt.
Right now we are inside the control and command center. This is the place from where the company is keeping a vigil on what is happening inside tunnel. There are 234 cameras, the CCTV cameras, high definition cameras, and this ensures that every moment that is taking place inside the tunnel gets detected. And it is really very important, as manually these kind of big tunnels cannot be kept a tab upon, and for the same these kind of high definition cameras, they have been installed, and they also have a special feature that they can detect any kind of incident that is taking place inside this tunnel, which connects the Banihal to the Kazikund and is a major alternative to the Jawahar tunnel, which remains snow-clad for almost 3 months. But now with this tunnel coming into being, this will be the past.
This engineering marvel is the only all-weather road connecting the Kashmir Valley with the rest of India.
We talk about the tunnel, definitely it's an engineering marvel and has been constructed with Australian tunneling method. And as we talk about the tunnel, you have the jet fans, CCTV cameras, fire extinguishers, and it has been constructed, built at the cost of some 21,000 crores. And at present, the laborers are working round the clock, and they believe that the government is going to break the news about the functioning of the tunnel anytime. This is going to be a big engineering marvel, because if we talk about the tunnel and the people particularly using the tunnel during winter or in the summer, they will be bypassing Jawahar tunnel as well as Shaitan Nala. Talking about these two spots, definitely they have been a big bottleneck for the traffic movement, particularly in winters when you have the landslides and other things on the national highway.
Bureau Report, Republic TV.